Hello my dear friends, welcome back to RMK Resolutions. This is the part 2 of our discussion. In the part 1 we have discussed some important features of the ecosystem, and we have also discussed the types of the terrestrial ecosystem. In this part 2 we are going to discuss the aquatic ecosystem. So aquatic ecosystem, this is the ecosystem where the water is involved. Those ecosystem where the water is involved is known as the aquatic ecosystem. So in the aquatic ecosystem, the animals which are adapted is different, and plants are also different. Plants are also adapted for that water condition. So on your screen you can see the aquatic ecosystem where the different types of fish are there, then molluscs are there, starfish are there, so many animals, sponges are there, so many animals are found in the in the aquatic ecosystem. So aquatic ecosystem, they are present in the body of water is known as the aquatic ecosystem. So aquatic ecosystem, it is further divided into the two types. Number 1 is the freshwater ecosystem, and number 2 is the marine ecosystem. These are the two very important systems of the aquatic ecosystem. So in the freshwater ecosystem, that name itself indicates it is a freshwater. So there is a low amount of salt, or sometimes salt is absent, and that salt is an important factor, my dear friends. And in case of the marine ecosystem, obviously there is a very large amount of salts are present. So why this salt plays an important role? We know that the osmosis phenomenon. If you have any doubt about the osmosis, then please watch the osmosis video in our RMK resolutions. So this osmosis phenomenon, it is important. It decides which kind of animals are present and which kind of plants are present over here. So first we will discuss the freshwater ecosystem. So in the freshwater ecosystem, there are ponds, lakes, then river, they comes. On your screen you can see this is the river, which is an example of the freshwater ecosystem. So freshwater ecosystem, it is an aquatic ecosystem that includes the lake, ponds, river, streams and wetland. These are the examples of the freshwater ecosystem, and as I told you, there is no salt content present in the freshwater ecosystem in contrast with the marine ecosystem. Second type is the marine ecosystem. So here marine ecosystem, it is obviously there is a large ocean, so there is a tremendous amount of diversity are there, diversity of the animals and diversity of the plants also. So you can see on your screen there are different animals are present, and that animals are distributed in a sea or in a marine water according to the layer. Means how how much amount of sunlight is present in the particular area. So according to the sunlight, that animals are distributed. So on your screen you can see there are different types of animals are found. There are zooplanktons are found, then different types of fish are found, then echinoderms, dolphins, shark, crab, so many animals are found. Some bacteria obviously are there, molluscs are there, many animals are found in the marine ecosystem, and these particular animals, they are adapted for the high salt concentration. Again, this particular picture, they indicate the different types of animals found in the marine ecosystem. See, echinoderms are there, this one, sponges are there, this one is also echinoderm, different types of algae are there, this one is also the echinodermata. So these are the different types of animals which are present in the marine ecosystem. Number of animals are found. We cannot explain all the animals here. Again, this particular picture, it shows the stratification in the marine ecosystem. As I told you, this stratification means some animals, they are found in the seashore, some they are found at the depth. See this particular fish which is found at the bottom of the sea, where very less sunlight is penetrated. So how much amount of sunlight is penetrated? So according to the penetration of the sunlight, animals are distributed in a marine water. So epipelagic means where that a layer where there is a large amount of sunlight is there, and abathic zone where there is a less amount of sunlight is there. So according to the sunlight, animals are distributed in a marine ecosystem. Again, that picture shows the stratification in the marine ecosystem. This picture shows the different types of fish which are found in a marine ecosystem. So marine ecosystem, that includes the sea, obviously sea and ocean, and these have a more substantial salt concentration and greater biodiversity or greater diversity of the animal comparison with the freshwater ecosystem